Stuff. More stuff. Catch you inside. RevelatorAlf. Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf. I hope you're all well in these testing times. So, look, I've just been down to the mailbox and or my PO box, and I've got a few parcels in, and I thought I'd share them with you. Now, this is for another video, but I'll quickly open it up and see what this is going to be. Oh, this is an EZ Can. Look at that. EZ Can. Right, so these are for Harley Davidsons. This will be in the next video, so watch that. It's all about how you can easily connect things to your motorcycle without interfering with the wiring harness. Right, next one. The Breaking Bad motorcycle camper is coming on strong. But just like when you buy a motorcycle and you think, do you know what, I'm going to buy a motorcycle for a cheap form of transport, but it never really ends up being a cheap form of transport because you end up buying loads of stuff. It is exactly the same with the camper. I thought, cheap holidays, be able to go wherever we wanted to go, strap the bike on the back. I seem to be spending lots of money, and the problem is you go away for a little test ride or a test drive, you go away for a few days and you think, I could really do with something like that. So you end up buying things like a sink strainer or a bit of hose pipe here, or or a clock or whatever. It's just odd things that you end up buying for a camper or a motorcycle camper. Anyway, so I've been buying lots of things, be fitting water pumps to it and to spray down bikes and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, there are a couple of other things that I thought I'd buy. And the company got in touch with me just randomly, called Olafus, and they said, look, we've got a couple of lighting products, and I'm always a sucker for lighting products, I've got to say. So I thought, you know what, they're all on Amazonia as well. And I thought, well, I'd try them out. So the first one is this one, if I can open it. Ta-da! Well, it's a brown box, right? Get rid of that. It's a work light. Yeah, now you can get these anywhere, of course. And you'll see what I mean. It's basically one of these. Look at that. It's a 60 watt LED work light, but the beauty of it is it's mains operated, right? And it's just got a simple base. It's a low level base. Now the reason I got this, or I wanted one of these, was because if you're ever working on the bike in the garage and you're working underneath, or in a car or something like that, usually what you end up doing is trying to hold a torch in your teeth and all that kind of stuff. Well, actually, you just need a low level torch, don't you? Or a low level light, and this is a big high intensity one. So let me just try it out. Oh, that was easy enough. Look, just a very basic light, and I've always wanted one of these for the workshop, but I thought, actually, if I'm going away in the camper and I need to work at night outside, especially on the bike or something like that, actually having something like that would be really good. Let's just see if it works, shall we? All the links for these are in the description below, but Olafus, that's what you want to look for as a company. Right, hold on. Right. Oh, wow, that is bright. Hello. Very bright. So you can see 60 watts of power. Yeah, I won't shine it directly into the camera. There we go. Right, let me turn that off. Yeah, so if you're ever working on your bike or anything like that, on the underside of a car, actually I would get something like this. You can get them from anywhere. So I've literally said, I'd take this on trial and see what it was like. Actually, I think they're great. You can angle them anywhere. LED, low power consumption, but it's 60 watts and that's a bright light. So well worth the money, I would say. Right. Right. What's in the next box? And again, this is from that Olafus, however you pronounce them. Now, I thought I'd have a bit of fun with some strip lighting. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the Breaking Bad camper anyway, but I thought I might have a bit of fun with the bike as well. Ooh. LED strip lighting. Bish bash bosh. Done. You got the controller there. It's got a remote control. Very easy. You can pick these up anywhere, of course. Right. Again, it's got power. Now, I'll explain what I'm doing in a minute. Plug this in. There we go. Look. LED strip lighting. Fine. So I want to know what the... Now, this is obviously working off mains power, but the output is... And it's 9 to 28 volt. This should definitely work off a 12 volt supply. Right. If I am able to get a connector like this, 12 volts, I think this will work. So all I would need to do, if I want to have a bit of fun, let's say you're going on a parade or a toy run or something like that, you want to decorate your bike on the underside, you could actually put some of this down quite easily, cable tie it on, or you could stick it on, but it wouldn't last very long in the wet, of course. Anyway, you could power it quite easily from the battery or from some kind of switch. Right. This is where these come in, these easy cans, and I'm basically going to make another video about how these work anyway, but that's something that you could do. But I'm going to put this in the Breaking Bad camper for sure, but say they're low power consumption anyway, so you could use these anywhere, in cars, in in your home, whatever. You just have to change the power source. Simple, really. There we go. Look, instructions, remote control. Hey, look, hold on, let's see if I can. So look, red, orange, what's that, yellow, green, purple, bluish, very light blue, white light. Marvelous. So the company is Olafus. And anyway, if you follow the links below, you'll notice they've got a whole range of lighting applications, from work lights, workshop lights, that kind of stuff, but also this kind of stuff, this strip lighting, which you can pick up anywhere, of course. Okay, but as I say, I've got a couple of plans for these, for the Breaking Bad camper, but also for the motorcycle as well. I'm going to see if these can be used just for a bit of fun. I'm not going to have them on there permanently, and if I can power them from the 12 volt supply from the EZ Can as well, which again is going to be another video as well to how that all works. Right, anyway, but I like this a lot. This is definitely a nice workshop edition, and also if I'm going away, especially with the bike, the motorcycle camper, definitely take this with me if I'm working outside on the bike. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And this, well, it's going to be mains operated, but obviously if you're on an electric hookup site, yeah, you can easily use this. If you're out in the boonies somewhere, out in the middle of nowhere, then you're going to need a generator, of course. Or I've actually got an inverter on my camper, which you saw the video, that standalone system as well. That will power this as well. So there we go. Easily works all off 12 volt through an inverter. This will work that. 60 watts, and because that's a 1200 watt, so that'll easily power this easily. LED lights, always get LED lights if you can. Right, anyway, that's it. I thought I'd share that with you. Just a few more projects coming, but nice workshop light, some fun lights for the camper, and also for the bike, and well, future videos of this. If I can get it all to work as well, maybe I'll be giving one away. You never know. Right, catch you again on another video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, like and share. Check out the website, RevelatorAlf.com. Right, ta-da, cheers.